guys, welcome back to my channel. And I had to put that on pause. Today is January 2nd, 2019, and that means we are having a good start so far. Eating wise, I'm doing pretty good. Today I went to go work out and I ate pretty good. So we got this going. But I wanted to show you guys a little like decor thing. Okay. I don't know how much of my weight loss journey am I going to put on here, because honestly, that's something I really want to just feel pressured. I don't know. Sasha, must we do that now? Must we do that now? Sasha, are we going to do that again or no? So anyways, oh, I'm gonna have to take that away. Alright, I'm back. So I don't know, like I was saying, I don't know how much of my weight loss journey I want to put on here, because I don't want to feel the pressure of making sure that I upload. I don't know. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna show on here. I'm just gonna show myself on here. I don't know. I might make like what I eat in a day kind of videos, so that way you kind of get the gist of how I'm doing with my eating, and put updates of my weight loss. So yeah, I'm out of breath. But anyways, my workout today was really good. I went to Orange Theory, and I think I mentioned it before that I've been going there. So now it's last month in December I probably went once. That's about it. I went once. And this month I am gonna try to go as much as my membership lets me, because I get the one that's 8 classes a month. So that's the one I'm doing. I didn't do the unlimited because, you know, I really want to crack down on my eating habits and my portion control. So that to me is the most important thing right now, rather than me working out or trying to work out every day. But I am going to incorporate working out. So, but that's my main thing. I think next month in February, I'm going to try to challenge myself to go every day. So that will be something that maybe I'll post on my Instagram. And yeah, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, you might as well do it right now, because you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this transformation that's going to happen, okay? And follow my Instagram, and I'll put the link down here of my Instagram so you can follow along. So yeah. Speaking of eating well, working out, all of that, I took off my nails. I'm going natural for now. I started watching this video on this show on Netflix called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, and she's a Japanese organizer, and I just bought her book, so I should be getting it on Friday. But I am in that mentality right now that I want to start to declutter a lot of stuff. There's a lot of changes that I want done in 2019. Decluttering is one. I think I overspend, and I'm going to be fully honest with you guys. I spend so much money on clothes, knickknacks, and stuff like that that I don't use or I don't wear. It's really sad, because when I pile up the clothes right now, I have a hard time when I have done it in the past, and I'm so ashamed and embarrassed and feel guilty for how much I've spent, and I'm just like, for what? I didn't even use it, not once. And I bought it like maybe a year ago. Like, it's so plain. It's so stupid spending that money. And I think, you know, to be honest, I get caught up with what's out there, what's trending, and I want to be in the know, and I want to have something to say like, oh yeah, I know about that trend. And it's nice and dandy, but also I need to learn where to be frugal and where I can go ahead and splurge. So those are the things I need to learn for myself here, 2019, because I'm really trying to be also very minimalist, and I have to look more into that, but that's what I want to try to do. Just simple things and not trying to go overboard. I hope this all makes sense. But anyways, watching this started to tidy up one of the drawers, and I have to show you guys that drawer. But yeah, so I hope you guys, we're gonna go downstairs, but I hope you're having a good start to your 2019 so far. And if you're not, don't worry. Don't worry, just start tomorrow, okay? And if tomorrow doesn't happen for whatever reason, start the next day. Don't give up, okay? We are on this journey all together, and we're not perfect. I'm not perfect. I know there's gonna be days where I'm gonna fail big time, and I'm just gonna pick myself up and go on about it the next day. So this is the drawer I tidied up, and I hope you guys watch it. It's on Netflix. Okay, so these are raggedy and dirty, but I decided to clear this drawer. And so she shows you this folding method to have it this way, so that way you see what you have. I don't know how she did the kitchen stuff, but I just winged it. I'm only on episode 2 of that show. So I did this, and then I cleared out this area, which was really cluttered. Really bad cluttered. So I wanted to have more of like the breakfast stuff here and like the chips here, rather than this other cabinet that I'm going to show you right now. So, excuse me, Sasha. Excuse me. So, I don't know if I showed you guys, but these are my problem. These cabinets are so deep, okay? Really deep in there. And we don't have those slide out kind of cabinet like drawers because they're expensive. So I need to find a way that this is gonna work. This needs to just be organized. Let me show you. See all of that? It's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's all scattered. So I need to come up with a solution. See all of that? That's just bad. All of those cups, I'm telling you, I am a hoarder of cups. Starbucks cups. Yeah, spending too much money on Starbucks cups, which needs to stop. So that's what my goal is. I'm hoping to tackle this big project this month in January and have it done. So I need to write down a schedule for myself of how I'm going to tackle this. And I think the only way to do it is just do it all at once, to be honest. And I don't think I'm going to be able to afford buying those drawers that roll out of the deep cabinets. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that because it's very expensive. So I need to put things in categories in the cabinets. So that's what has to happen. And then, yeah. So that's what's happening. Lots to do this month, lots to do. And then I'm planning to put up some videos, and I have to work on my ideas of what kind of videos. I don't want it to be videos that you already have seen before from other people, but I think some of them will have to go that way. I'm out of breath. They'll probably have to be that way, but it'll be in my style, so, you know, doesn't matter. So anyways, today, like I said, it's Wednesday, January 2nd. January 2nd. Okay, I was tripping. So, yeah. I hope to see you guys again soon. I'm gonna try to upload this weekly, like a weekly vlog. I don't know, maybe. So, yeah, tomorrow I have to go to Orange Theory. And that's about it. Yeah. And then Friday, I have my eyelash appointment. And so hopefully get this going on Saturday. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do. So yeah, thanks again for coming back to my channel. Happy New Year, and make this your year. You got this. Whatever your goal is, whether it's weight loss, whether it's career, whether it's finance, whatever it is, you got this. You can do it. It's the beginning of a fresh start. Look at it that way. 2019 is going to be your year because it's going to be my year too. And I am looking forward to a big change in my life because I've been wanting this for so long, and I am desperately wanting it so bad that I'm working extra hard for it. I don't know why I didn't work on it before, and that doesn't matter. What matters is the now. What matters is what am I going to do with it tomorrow, and a month from now, 2 months from now, a year from now. That's what matters. Looking to the past, it can't happen, because it's just gonna trigger you to just change your mind and doubt yourself and not go forward. So why do you want to go backwards? Why do you want to say, why didn't I do this? Or I suck at this, or I tried it before and it didn't work. Well, if it didn't work, try something else. It's okay. You don't have to do what everybody else is doing. You do you. You do what works for you. And I'm ending the video like this. Woo! Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!